let's get started. ZOE time! And now, this is what you need to make your popsicles. Milk, yogurt, popsicle molds, a blender, strawberries, and popsicle sticks. So you could chop off the slice like straight ones, or you could be like this. What is good for you can use, but I don't know. And now you chop off everything. Now you do fast forward. Oh yeah, we have to count. Some people say how many strawberries you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now in French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 11 is for French. It's orange. Hey, yeah. So my mom helped me plug the blender in. So always ask a parent to plug like the blender inside the place you plug stuff. So now let's put my milk, strawberries, and yogurt. I have a spoon because first to scoop the yogurt inside here. Mine is all liquid. You can use liquid yogurt if you want. So I'm just going to use this scoop one. Oh yeah, kids. Before you make food, you have to wash your hands. I already washed my hands, so I can already cook. Throw this can of yogurt. I already tried to throw out the can of yogurt. The first one I used, now I'm going to use the second one. Now finally, milk. Now let's put the cap on. Now let's blend. A little bit more. One more time. Done. It sounds like the strawberry smoothie. Again, my mom helped me unplug. So as a parent, you help you unplug. So you always need a parent to be around you to make a shake because she has to help you or your dad. So now let's pour. Oh, this is dripping everywhere. It's exploding. That tastes like a strawberry smoothie. You have to make this. It's pretty good. And I know I have a mustache. We just cleaned the outside because it was a little bit drippy. So how many I made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And the other one you see is missing because we couldn't find the cap, so we took it off. So come on, let's put it in the freezer. This is what I made the other days, so I'm gonna get it out. Remember I told you the strawberry smoothie it tastes like? It tastes the same! So really make this. It tastes good. It tastes like strawberry. I had too much strawberry, so yeah. So au revoir. À demain. Pas. Bye. Or see you tomorrow. Or maybe not.